how to create a Fortnite account. To create a Fortnite account, you'd need a Epic Games account first. So what you can do is you want to simply download and install the Epic Games application, and you want to simply tap on the Epic Games application to install it. If you're opening the application for the first time, you'll be able to see a sign in page, something like this. If you already have an account, and if you don't have an account on Epic Games, you want to simply tap on create account over here. Or if you want to create your new account using your Google account, Facebook account, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Apple, or Steam or Lego account, you'll be able to do those over here as well. You can simply tap on any of the Google account, tap on Google, and you'll be able to open your Epic Games account through your Google account. Once you have created your Epic Games account, you can simply open the Fortnite application and log in with your Epic Games account directly. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.